Alright, guys.
Pull me closer, why don't you pull me close? Why don't you come on over? I can't just let you go. Oh, baby, why don't you just meet me in
Another video with Cabo here today. Today we are going to do making slime. We're gonna be making fluffy slime. It got a little messy, but so the first part of the video is gonna be my bloopers. As you can see in my first part of the video, there was a lot of bloopers. I had so many times I had to redo the video, redo that part. So yeah, it was really hard. So I just wanted to do some bloopers for y'all. So let's get on to the video.
My video again.
Guys, welcome back to another video.
We're gonna start out with the first.
You are gonna hear my parents talk.
So
This is I'm gonna be putting two are in the bag. The next two are in the bag. So now I'm gonna be making some slime. So let's get into the next slime. We're actually going to make slime now. I did all my 7 slimes that I did not show you yesterday. So again, I'm going to make it in a wood topping cooler because I don't have any containers. So I have a fork. I have some color. I normally make my slime with borax and water, but today, I don't know why, I just didn't feel like getting my borax out because I don't have any more activator. I still need to make it. I'm gonna use Tide because it's like almost like 10 o'clock and I woke up at like 9:30. So yeah, I just got dressed and made this video. So I did not feel like making activator for my slime, so I'm just gonna use Tide today. I did wish I had staff though, but that's fine. Come with me. And then my gallon of glue that is almost gone. That's fine, I need more glue. So yeah, let's go make it. First, I have my container. I'm gonna pour some glue in there. Which would you like to see better, this or this? I think you'd like to see this better, or like that. Okay, so let's pour the glue in. We're just gonna make a little bit. Yeah, like literally that much. In the mix, I'm gonna go get some shaving cream. I'll be right back. Get some shaving cream. And I'm also gonna show you something real quick. I wanna show you my dog. Come here, Odie. His name is Otis, but I call him Pups or Odie Pup. He's a very cute dog. He is a teddy bear dog. We need to shave him because he's very hairy. But he's so cute. Give this video a thumbs up if you think it's cute. Or comment down below. Either. I don't care. Okay. So I poured my glue in. I'm just going to add a little bit of shaving cream just to fluff it up a little bit and make it bigger. Because I don't want to use all my glue. So instead of using more glue to make it bigger, I'll just add some shaving cream. A little bit more. So yeah, I'm gonna mix. So let's go. It is very fluffy right now. But yeah. So I'm gonna add just a little more fluff. The fluffier the better. I did do a story last night on Instagram of me making iceberg slime. I left it in the freezer too long, so I'm letting it sit out to make it thaw out a little bit. Maybe see if that works. Yay, now my slime is double the size. I am mixing. Just a tad more fluff, guys. You don't even know how little. Okay. That is it. Otherwise, it would just be shaving cream. Okay. So now I'm going to add some baby blue. I think my thumb is double jointed. I don't know. Okay, so
let's bring them down here.
You can hear my parents talking and my brother. So I love watching color go into slime. I just don't know why. I'm weird. I'm just going to add a little bit more color. Added 2 more drops. I'm going to add a little bit more color because I don't. It's still like the other slime, my other fluffy slime that I had. The same color. I don't think any more is coming out. Okay, so no more is coming out of that. So I'm gonna mix. Dang, this is as dark as it's gonna get. Mix it. It's gonna dial down the color a little bit, I know. So let's go pour in the activator. So I got my Tide. Again, I normally do use borax, but I just didn't feel like using borax today. So I do add a little at a time because Tide slime does get a little stringy when you first make it, but after that it is fine. Like, it is good slime after that. I do like Tide slime. Like, it's pretty much the same as borax. Tide slime is just a better consistency before you mix. I mean, right after you get it all together and knead, and it's slime, I like Tide better. But after a while, I like borax slime better. Like, Tide slime gets weird. And if you leave it out for a couple of days, Tide slime, the Tide flips to the top, but borax doesn't. That's the thing I like about borax. But first, when you make your slime and you knead it all together, I do like Tide better. For some reason, I don't know why. And borax activator, you do have to use a lot of borax. But Tide, I barely poured any. It's already mixed all together. Like, I could pick it up right now. I still feel like it. I should add a little bit more. Not a lot though, because like that much. I'm gonna pour this. And I'm gonna put this over there. And I'm going to mix. I'm going to go in with the hands. I do not feel like dealing with this. I'm going with the hands. Alright, here we go. Wow, guys. This is very fluffy, guys. See, now I like the Tide better than the borax. This is very fluffy. It's really just shaving cream. It's not even barely glue. Like, it wasn't really glue. It was just pretty much shaving cream. I did make this darker than my other blue one, so that's good. So I do like this slime. I give this an 8 out of 10. It is a little thick because it was a lot of fluff. Maybe I shouldn't add that much. So if you don't have a lot of glue, don't add that much shaving cream, or it will get kind of thick. But otherwise, you can have as much shaving cream as you want. So yeah. Ugh. Alright, let's go. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Please comment down below if you think my dog is cute, or give this video a thumbs up. And please comment down below if you've ever made fluffy slime. Ugh. And make sure to turn on the notification bell so you know every time I post. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.